Okay, this is the mass moment of inertia for a different என்ன சொல்லலாம் the commonly available shapes is okay. For a tube we can calculate the Ixx or Iyy by using the formula ml squared by 12, where m is the masses. Mass can be calculated by using the formula V into density. Here the mass m can be calculated by multiplying the rho density into volume. Okay, here rho is the density and it is volume. How we can calculate the volume? V was equal to area into thickness. ஓகேங்களா, m L squared by 12 for this formula. ஓகேங்களா, for a thin circular ring Izz was equal to m r square and Ixx or Iyy was equal to m r square by 2, and for circular laminas, cylinder, sphere, it is a sphere, rectangular plate, rectangular prism, cone, everything. Okay, this is how we got to calculate. And similarly, how we can find the centroid for masses? Previously we had calculated the centroid or center of gravity for a mass solid figures. Center of gravity, we can say it as a center of gravity for a solid figures. We can use the following, the common, just another tabulation. Cylinder, if possible we can see there are standard shapes are available. Okay, for cylinder, x bar, y bar, volume alone we can see. X bar, y bar and area for a cylinder of having okay x, sorry, cylinder, x bar was equal to d by 2, y bar can be calculated by h by 2 and area is pi r squared h. So not area, volume, pi r squared h. Similarly for a cone, not a triangle, it is a cone. And height h. X can be calculated as d by 2 and y bar is h by 4 and volume is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. For a sphere, For sphere, we can calculate as d by 2. This is also equal to d by 2 and 4 by 3 pi r cube. And hemisphere, hemisphere for hemisphere we can write as d by 2 3r by 8 y bar 2 by 3 by r cube. This is the center of gravity. If you want to find if it is given as a single component, if you want to calculate for a multiple components அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, if there is we are having more than one or two components அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, how we can calculate the center of gravity is W1 x1 centroid is for mass moment of inertia. ஓகேங்களா, mass moment of inertia it is center of gravity. Y bar okay. This go we can solve and also common if we apply the moment of inertia, sorry, if we apply the principal perpendicular axis theorem and parallel axis theorem for a mass moment of inertia, the formula which we most commonly used is we will be using is Ixx, I capital Xx Axx was equal to mz square we can write it as md squared is the most commonly used. We can have another word most commonly we will be using this one. M into d squared, the what is it as common notation y bar whole square. Similarly, mass moment of inertia I y was equal to I y plus m x I whole square I z z mass moment of inertia about that I z was equal to I z z plus m I x I whole square. Okay, this is the part. Solving a problem with the mass moment of inertia is somewhat different from the other components, just because we can directly calculate the, here there is no need for finding the centroid, we can directly find the summation of xi and yi. Okay, just listen, there is no need to find out the x bar and we have to minus xi and the Mariana steps. We can, there is no, that step is not available in a, no needed in a mass moment of inertia. We can directly use this xi, summation of xi மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணா போதும், xi-யோ y-யோ அது மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணா போதும். இப்போ we can solve on a simple problem. These are all the formulas. Once we solve the one problem now, you may understand easily. Okay. Izz was equal to you can say. Okay, take down the problem. A thin plate of thickness problem. A thin plate of thickness 6 mm is cut and a machine component is made from a plate. The machine component is made from a plate from a plate as shown in figure. As shown in figure, assuming the density of steel 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Calculate the mass moment of inertia about z axis. Okay, they had given, we have to find only Izz. Diagram is shown here. Okay. Let this be x axis, here y axis, and z axis be here. Okay. Now we want to find that the radius, they had given the radius as I can change the color for the dimensions. They had given the radius 12 centimeter, .5 centimeter, and here that is 15 centimeter, since இங்க 12 போது இதுவும் 12, 12 தான் வரும் centimeter, 12 centimeter, and here they had given the uniform thickness of 6 meter, and here what we say it as it is a thicker plate, and here it is a என்ன சொல்லலாம் செமி சர்க்கிள் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு திக்னஸ் வந்து கம்மி தான் உங்களுக்கு செமி சர்க்கிள் பிளேட்ஸ் ரேடியஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா திக்னஸ் ஓகே தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வி கேன் ஹேவ் இட் இங்கே நம்ம கொடுக்கலாம் திக்னஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஒன் திங் வாண்ட் டு கன்சிடர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன் மாஸ் மூமெண்ட் ஆஃப் இனர்ஷியா தே ஹேட் கிவன் த யூனிட் kg per meter cube, but here the units are in centimeter, so we want to convert all the units into meter. ஓகேங்களா? Do you have any idea of what is the conversion rate of meter and millimeter? 1000 mm was equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter was equal to 1 meter. ஓகேங்களா? அதே மாதிரி 10 mm was equal to 1 centimeter. If you have a glass scale now, you can see that there are small linings, that each small lines are called as an mm. So if there if we join 10 if we have 10 centimeters represent 10 mm represents the 1 centimeters, and 100 centimeters represents 1 meter. So similarly 10,000 mm represents the 1 meter. Okay, this is how we want we need to note this. Okay, if we want to convert the centimeter to meter na, we want to divide it by, we have to divide the content by divided by 100, value divided by 100 in order to convert the, if you want to convert centimeter to meter means we want to divide the, let the x be the x centimeter na, if you want to convert na, we want to x by 100 into meter. Okay, similarly millimeter to meter na, let x be the mm, you want to divide by x divided by 1000. Similarly reverse on the pathing, if you want to convert meter to millimeter na, we want to multiply with 1000, meter to centimeter na, we want to multiply the x with 100. This is what, this is the basic thing you have to remember, because throughout the your courses throughout your BE courses you will be you have to use this conversion. Okay, so the given data, now we can convert it. What are the given data? Thickness T was equal to 6 mm, they had given us 6 mm. So now I converted into meter. Upon 6 divided by 1000, what is the value? 0.006 meter. Okay, thickness is the, so remaining in the density is rho as 7850 kilogram per meter cube. This is the value here. So now ultimately I want to find the value, I want to find mass moment of inertia about z axis, inertia, that is I z z. We know that I z z was equal to I z capital I capital Z z was equal to small z z summation of plus summation of mi xi whole square. Let this is be. Here xi denotes the only the center of gravity of the individual component. Okay, Okay, first let we take this as a volume 1, this is as a rectangular plate as volume 2, and this circular plate as volume 3. Okay, we can consider like this. Solution. First we can calculate the volume and masses for each component. Let be volume number, we can say it as volume number, let it be 1. So volume, and we have to calculate the density masses. Okay. And if possible we can calculate the IZ also here. Volume 1 is semicircular plate, which is having the centimeter to meter 12 by 1000, 12 by 100. So R here is R was equal to 12 by 100 and 0.12 meter. So we know that volume of an area 1 can be calculated, that is pi r squared by 2, that is this is the area. Volume can be having the formula A into T. So semicircular area into thickness T which calculate pannalam. So how we can calculate na? Pi 0.12 whole square by 2, and we know the thickness 0.006. So once we get it now, what is the answer kana? Can anybody able to tell me? If anybody is using a calcina, can you able to tell me? Similarly, the mass here is equal to mass into volume, volume, rho into the volume, that is mass was equal to rho into volume. Okay, we know that the value here is 1.35 10 to the power
into 10 minus
10 to the power minus 4. The unit is meter cube. Okay, since we are volume area, units of area is meter squared and volume is meter cube. Okay, density is 7850. We know the density of seal is 7850 into 1.35 into 10 to the power minus 4. What is the value of here? M1, let it be. .06 kilogram. Since we know that volume is meter cube and density is kg per meter cube, so this will cancel. So one unit is kg. That is how we get bring in mass as a kg here, and I okay. Similarly, we can go for IZZ next. That is area number 2, that is rectangle. For a rectangle, we know area is B into D, that is B into D, that is a volume into thickness T. We know that breadth is here is 30 centimeter, 30 divided by 0.3 meter, diameter height 24.24 into 0.06. Then the value of volume 2 is 4.32 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube, value is meter cube. So I am writing here. Similarly here 7850 into 4.32 into 10 to the power minus 4, and we get the value M2 as 3.39 kilograms. For volume 3, so for volume number 3, that is circle, we know that area of the circle is pi r square. So pi into r here is 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 divided by 100, we get 0.075. 0.075 whole square into T is 0.006. We get the value for a volume as 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 4. Similarly here 7850 into 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 4, we get the value M3 as 0.8323. Okay. Now we calculate the IZZ, okay, for each value. Okay. For a semicircle, we can use that value m d squared by 4. Okay, IZZ நம்ம என்ன பார்க்கலாம்? ஓகேங்களா, எம் ஆர்ஸ் இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தே ஆல்சோ ரேடியஸ் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஹாஃப் த சர்க்கிள்ங்கும் போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு பார்ட் மட்டும் வி கேன் டேக் இட் அஸ் எம் ஆர் ஸ்கொயர்ட் பை 4. ஃபார் செமி சர்க்கிள் சர்க்குலர் லேமினா தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஹாஃப் சர்க்கிள் செமி சர்க்கிள் கூட ஜஸ்ட் டேக் இட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் மட்டும் நம்மகிட்ட இருக்குது. ஸோ ஃபார் சர்க்குலர் லேமினா வி யூஸ் த ஃபார்முலா, ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட் அ மினிட், இல்லைங்க ஹாஃப் சர்க்கிள் ஓகே கரெக்ட் தான். இங்கே வந்து mr squared by 2 இருக்குது. இஃப் தே ஆர் ஹேவிங் எ ஃபுல் சர்க்கிள் லேமினா. ஃபார் செமி சர்க்கிள் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்ம இன்ட்டு 1/2 போட்டுக்கலாம். தட் வில் பி பெட்டர். ஸோ mr squared by 4. ஏன்னா இங்கே ஹாஃப் சர்க்கிளுக்கு எதாவது கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா? இல்லை. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சர்க்குலர் லேமினாக்கு மட்டும் தான் தே ஹேட் கிவன் அஸ். ஃபார் ஹாஃபுங்கும் போது பார்த்திங்கன்னா இன்ட்டு 1/2 நம்ம போட்டுக்கலாம் IZZக்கு. சின்ஸ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஃபைண்ட் மொமெண்ட் ஆஃப் இனர்ஷியா அபவுட் IZZ. இதே ஒரு குவார்ட்டர் சர்க்கிளாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா இன்ட்டு 1/4 போட்டுக்கலாம். தட் இஸ் mr squared divided by 8 வரும். ஓகே, இன்ட்டு 1/2 நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும் ஃபார் எவ்ரி கட் செக்ஷன். இஃப் இட் இஸ் ஃபுல் சர்க்கிள்னா mr squared by 2. ஃபார் செமி சர்க்கிள் இட் இஸ் mr squared by 2 into 1/2. தட் இஸ் mr squared by 4 வரும். இஃப் இட் இஸ் குவார்ட்டர் சர்க்கிள்னா mr squared by 2 into 1/4. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் 1/8 வரும். ஸோ வி கேன் சே இட் அஸ் IZZ was equal to here m r squared by 4 m, we can say it as, we know that m value is 1.06, r squared is 0.12 whole square divided by 4. We get the value 3.83 into 10 to the power minus 4. To 10 to the power minus, sorry, into 10 to the power minus 3. Here unit is kg meter square. Since mass is kilogram and volume, the value of r is m meter, so kg meter square. This is the units of IZZ. Similarly for equation 2, that is rectangle, we know that IZZ value is m IZZ2 is m b square m into b squared plus l squared divided by 12. Okay, we can add this m b squared plus l squared by 12 for rectangle. You can write this m into b square plus l square by 12. We can write this here m is 3.39, b squared is 0.3 squared plus l squared is 0.24 squared divided by 12. Can anyone able to tell me the answer? Can anyone able to tell me the answer?
Sir, Oh, 1 minute, sir.
Here m was equal to, for third thing வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா m was equal to, sorry, izz was equal to m into r square by 4, since it is a circle. We already know that. Here m into m is nothing but 0.832, r squared வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0.075 divided by 2. We get the value as, here I is at z1, I is at z2, 3. You can say it as I z3 is 1.17, 0 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg meter cube centimeter square. Okay, the value I can tell us for izz2 வந்து 0.0254 வந்து வருது. It may definitely, there is a,
Sir, 0.041.
okay, 0.04 என்ன சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்குது இதில், ஒரு புக்கில் இந்த பாயிண்ட் விட்டாங்க. 0.04
1, sir.
1 kg per meter square. Okay.
169, sir.
Yeah, this is a small part. So now we have to calculate the izz, which was nothing but izz was equal to summation of small izz plus m xi whole square. So now we can also calculate the xi here. xi இங்கும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா with respect to, okay, for this component 1 வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா what is the xi இங்கும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 0.006, அது divided by 2 போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it will again lead to some point. So அதனால் you can leave this, ஓகேங்களா, or you can take it as 0.006 divided by 2 எவ்வளோ, 6 divided by 2. This is the xi here. And for this one வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா
Sir, 3 into 10 power minus 3, sir.
3 into 10 to the power
Xi value வந்து minus 3, sir.
minus 3 meter, ஓகேங்களா.
Meter.
இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0.15 தான் வரும், since வந்து இது கரெக்டாக இது சென்டரில் தான் இருக்குது. 0.15 for this circle also 0.15. okay, 0.15 here it's also 0.15. okay, here we can write this m I xi squared. so இதை அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. m we know that 3.83, sorry 1.06 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Whole square. This value 3.39.
Sir, 11.49.
11.49 into.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, wrong. Sir.
Totally wrong. ஏன்னா இப்போ 10 to the power minus 6ல் வரும்ல, minus 6 into 1 பாயிண்ட்னா இன்னும் நிறைய வரும். இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0.83.
சார் அதாங்க சார் 34.47.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இதை முடிச்சிடறேன், அப்புறம் ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணுவேன். ஓகே, 34 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த பார்ட்டுக்கு 30.
சார் 34.47 into 10 to the power minus 6. 34.47, sir.
Sir, okay, into 10 to the power minus 6. Here
6, sir.
For this.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 3 point.
It's okay. Meanwhile, I'll also take my calculator and do the calculations. Can someone
sir, 3.39, sir.
Can 3.39 into 0.15 whole square. 3.39 into 0.15 whole square. We get the value 0.076. Similarly, for here
716.
Here we get the value 0.83 into 0.15 whole square 0.
Sir, 1.8, sir.
Okay, we get the summation here. Everything summation values மட்டும் add பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா, இதுதான் நீங்கள் தேவை. நமக்கு தேவை இந்த IZZ and this value summation is enough. So IZZ summation வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3.83 into e power minus 3 plus 0.041 and 0.041 plus 1.170 into e power minus 3. We get the value 0.046 kg meter square. IZZ sigma outside. Similarly here, summation of mi xi whole squared, we get the value 34.4 into e power minus 6 plus 0.076 plus 0.0186. We get the value 0.094. So if you add this now, we can get the value. IZZ was equal to 0.046 plus 0.094. So IZZ was equal to, we get 0.14 kg.
1406, sir.
1406
0.14
kg meter square.
meter square.
Okay. Okay, but this is the answer. This is how we had to solve the mass moment of inertia. I can give you, if possible, next class வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா product of inertia ங்கிற ஒரு topic we can go through it and give few problems for practices. You can